guys, because it's rainy day, we have to cook Indomie and Buldak. This is the trick that I'm doing for myself. But if you want to do also for you, why not? Okay. So once it's boiling, guys, you have to put the sauce for the buldak. It didn't show here that I put the powder from the Indomie. Okay, I didn't put the oil from the Indomie because you know it's cancerous, guys. So throw it. Okay. So we love the spicy, so we will put only half because if you put all, then maybe you cannot feel your tongue anymore. So only half, and you can save it the rest for the other pack of Indomie.
I was there when I needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I moved to the side, when I moved.
Yes, I like olives. Okay, so we will add it in my noodles. Only 3 pieces because it's salty. Okay, for those who have high blood, please don't add it. Next, guys, is pomegranate. And after a while, of course, I will eat my favorite snacks. It's fitness. But I'm not on a diet, guys, okay? Just for your information, I'm not on a diet. I just like this oatmeal with fruits.